Hey folks, quick tutorial video on disassembling the side cover of a Model Y driver seat, and I'm sure the same applies for the passenger seat as well as other model Teslas. The purpose of doing this was this button here snapped off. First things first, you want to raise the seat as high as you can. If you do not raise the seat all the way, you cannot get access to the screw which secures this. I will attach a picture to the video showing the location of this screw. Once that screw is removed, this entire panel comes off, and then you can access the unit here, which you'll want to do if you're looking to fix these switches or anything associated with that. The unit itself is secured with a few screws in various locations. Once those are removed, you can then take this unit out, but you have to remove the switches first. These just pulled off. You pull this off, and then this whole unit can come out, and you just disconnect the power right here. I took this all apart, and it appears that it cannot be mended because the actual it snapped off. It's complete. It's not just the switch; it's the actual stick that connects to the mechanism inside. So I believe I'm going to need to replace that whole part. Yeah, you can take that apart. All the switches are inside, and then now I'm just screwing it back on. Once I fed that through, I reapplied this switch. And I was going to apply my replacement switch, which I can do, but the problem is the little piece that comes out of here is snapped off. So even though I plug this part in, the replacement switch is no good, because although I can put this part in, it has nothing to connect to actually adjust the seat. So unsuccessful repair. But I'm going to put it back together, which I'm almost there, and then put this screw back in, and then it's put back together. But the most important thing is to have your Torx T20 to take that screw out. It's a little tight, but if you raise the seat all the way, you're good to go. But yeah, hope that helps. Thank you.